Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Isita, the enemy. Shem Usolom is still mourning his child, right? But Ulanga is here. Ulanga has landed in Mpumalanga, and then yena nochuma ngathi nje bayahlangana baba bangani kuyakhulumeka. Uchuma ke amtshela ukuthi you know what, this is my brother and I don't want you to do anything ngeke ngize ngiyenze mina kubhuti wami. Athi hawo why umkhulumela, because yena he had the opportunity and then he wanted to use it, but when yamkhulumela to know we've got a history, but he's my brother, please don't do anything. Hayi ke uSolomzeng ngisho akakazi ukuthi uRebecca favorite mother uyotshontsha umntwana. Alright, sharp. Uma Raiza ngale afuna ubribe isalusi sithi next angibribeki ke mina. Isalusi athi uyasibribe asithi angibribeki, athi okusalayo iqiniso luzophuma. Iqiniso into ezophuma angeke uhlale nalo, angeke uligodle. Hayi ke ngaleso sikhathi umalume naye akamfuni lo mntwana ukuthi azalwe. Remember the plan was ugirl ukuthi azosabotage this kingdom, not ukuthi azozalela this kingdom. So now umalume wants to make sure that this child does not see the day in light, because this would mean ukuthi their families have to be reunited because of this particular child. Hayi ayenze umzamo, siyazi ukuthi umzamo wakhe successful ke ukuthi umntwana are reunited with the ancestors. Osikwazi ukuthi ugirl wants to get the child tested just to prove ukuthi umntana akhe akusumntana akhe na. Inkinga ukuthi ke maka uyotesta kuphi kuyiphi lab la baze batshela inkosi khona. Hayi abantu basemilitary ke beza kuMamkhize bazomtshela ukuthi condolences uLanga ushonile nani. Hayi umangela ugele buzulanga le bengithengisa idakamiswa ngintshontshe nebhamu he what. So uguy was not discharged honorably. This was an dishonorable discharge. An honorable ne, but he was not discharged honorably. So it means ukuthi he is a wanted man uLanga. Nangu ke ubanzi apropose kuneli, uneli maqeda ukuphaphama empedeni esibhedlela athi propose, will you marry me? Uneli athi wena brika, just because bengicishe ngafa sokucabanga ukuthi uzongipropose akaso iphi ring apha ama-flowers apha amabaluni. Athi phola mdoko, phola very fast wawupholisa la lo makapholisa umdoko ngalo vele phi yena wawutshwatlisa mdoko most of ngibuza ukuthini ufuna iphathi after wanikeza umama wakhe nokho kwakhe attitude, ufuna iphathi yokuthi uphasile imatric, ugele lo wakhe ufuna ukuba ubathi unoMiss Party, but you can't be Mrs. Party girl, sit down. You know we need to do out this relationship of ours under wraps because my mother does not like it, and I want her to be happy. Sizobatshela in due season, so even the community members must not know at this point. Nje isiphiri hayi buza ke uNicole wafona kwasukunywa kwashiwa ke lapho ke ugirlfriend uSiphiri bamshiya lapho bayophendula icall kaNicole.